Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native Cardano token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The Cardano token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. Flicto is a media incubator that utilizes the Cardano proof-of-stake mechanism. Through Cardano's ISPO model, we aim to introduce a new type of funding for all content creators. Using this model, those interested in the project will be able to stake their Cardano to the pool. Through the funds delegated from our pool, we aim to fund content creators in their pursuit to fulfill their lifelong ambitions. Our aim is to empower the next generation of content to be created and disseminated. Cardano's ISPO model will allow us to gather as much funding as possible from those who take interest in our project, whilst allowing them to vote on the content they want to see put forward for distribution. In addition to this, our business model not only puts the power back into the hands of the creator and the viewer, but it also is beneficial for those who hold. Individuals that participate in voting will receive royalties upon successful distribution of a project they voted on. Moreover, those who accrue $Flick tokens but may not have been involved in a successful project distribution will still be eligible to receive royalties from distributed projects, just on a lower scale. It's a win-win no matter what. Due to Flicto striving to make funding accessible for those from underrepresented content creators, it was only right that we made some partnerships within the industry. The partnerships that we choose are far from arbitrary. We ensure that any collaborations are done with a long-term mindset that is beneficial for both parties involved. Over the last 30 days, we were able to form a fellowship with two successful production companies, which both have vast amounts of experience within the film industry. Our first partnership was that of Bazooka Bunny. This tremendous production and visual effects established themselves right out of Bristol in the UK. Their success has seen them branch out overseas to an ideal location to continue building out their company's initial success, Los Angeles, California to be precise. As a company, they have been able to bring together an amazing group of individuals with over 80 years of experience in the industry between them. This has given them the opportunity to work with some reputable names within the industry, providing their guidance and expertise wherever necessary. In addition to this, we are delighted to announce that we have partnered with Brooklyn-based Crooked Letter. Founded in 2010, Crooked Letter is a multifaceted production and management company. This partnership was one we were looking forward to. With a team of writers, directors, producers, and animators, Crooked Letter will play a pivotal role in assisting us with assessing and improving a project's viability. These partnerships not only enable us to bring immense value to content creators who seek funding through our ISPO, they also give us a firm foundation on which to start disrupting the media industry. Alongside both companies involved, content creators should expect to receive expert advice on how to harness their ideas and bring them to fruition. With decentralization being a kind of buzzword at the moment, those not involved in the industry see it almost as a hoax, something that may wither away over time. We beg to differ. As the adoption of blockchain begins to disseminate far and wide, it becomes even more evident every day the power that it has to bring equality and diversity to industries that are lagging behind. Over time, we're sure that our business model and our approach to acquiring long-lasting, fruitful relationships will be beneficial for all those involved. ISPO Remastered gives an opportunity for anyone to build passive income streams from films, TV shows, NFTs, digital media, and the written word. Flicto is a Cardano project on a mission. The mission is to develop a decentralized media (DME) industry where creators are on equal footing with Hollywood titans. Through Cardano's innovative stake pooling mechanisms and their vibrant community, Flicto has managed to raise 2 successful Ada rounds, and now their ESPO remastered has reached over 11 meters Ada staked. Cardano has been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market over the past few years. The time has come for its further expansion in the coming years. This virtual currency and blockchain network promise to change the way developers and network participants interact with blockchain networks. Indeed, Cardano wants to simplify, speed up and reduce the cost of using the blockchain network for any user. In the following sections, we will look at all the details about Cardano and why we think 2022 could be a good year for this digital currency. Let's now focus on the fundamental analysis of Cardano. Cardano is working to offer new scalability solutions to crypto participants. Decentralized finance and interchangeable tokens have become very important parts of the blockchain market. The goal is to enable developers to find a stable and scalable blockchain that could handle more bandwidth without worrying about fees and transaction time. In order for blockchain networks to become widespread, they must process thousands of transactions in a matter of seconds, and this is something that blockchain networks have yet to do. Cardano may become one of the first blockchain networks that can solve these long-term problems affecting the cryptocurrency market. Let's now focus on analyzing Cardano prices for the coming years. It is impossible to make a clear prediction of what might happen. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the expansion of Cardano and the achievement of the highest positions in the cryptocurrency market. But investors would like to know what could happen in the future and in the coming years as the market continues to grow. Cardano is expected to continue to grow. It is difficult to predict how far the Cardano price can go. However, we can compare Cardano with other blockchain networks. If Cardano reaches the market valuation of the upcoming financing, the Cardano price may rise to $2.50. Comparing Cardano with other blockchain networks does not mean that the price can move in this direction. This is just an easy way to understand what the price of Cardano will be at a certain market penetration. With the wider adoption of Cardano, it is possible that Cardano will continue to move higher, and this is highly possible. Now it's time to focus on Cardano price forecasting. The prediction of the Cardano price will depend on fundamental and technical factors. That's why we are conducting the necessary analysis for people and investors to understand what could happen to this virtual currency in the coming years. In the following sections, we will take a detailed look at what can happen with Cardano and how the market can develop. It is important to understand that these are just simple estimates. We are not financial advisors. This is for educational purposes only.